What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to transfer contacts to Gmail. So firstly, go to settings on your Android phone. Tap passwords and accounts, sometimes just accounts. If your Google account is already added, tap on it and then tap on account sync. Turn on the toggle next to contacts and then tap the three-dot menu on the top corner and press sync now. Wait for a few minutes depending on how many contacts you have. Open your Contacts app. Your Gmail contacts should appear there. And if your Gmail is not added, all you have to do is add a new Gmail account and sync following the steps that I explained previous. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.